Hello, so guys, today we are going to discuss chapter state of matters. New heading, this is the gaseous state. Gaseous state. Okay. How to define gaseous state? No doubt कि gaseous state is the form of state of matter, one of the form of state of matter, just like as liquid and solid. You know, state of matters, that means solid, liquid and gases. Now solid and liquid, here solid and liquid both are removed in your syllabus due to COVID-19 disease. Okay, you do not read this topic. Now you read only gaseous state. First of all, now we know a general property of the gases. How to define a general properties of the gases? Or now write down characteristic. Characteristic properties of gases. Okay, what are the characteristic properties of the gases? Now first point out first point, gases have neither definite shape nor definite volume. Gases have neither definite shape nor definite volume, which is or which shape or volume, depends on shape of the container. Okay, this is the first point, or this is the first characteristic property of the gases. Now second will be gases have lower density. Gases have lower density than solid and liquid. Now third point will be Third point, each gases have high rate of diffusion, and now fourth point will be gases which is easily mixable. Okay, gases which is easily mixable. Chemical property of gases is similar. Chemical properties of the gases is similar to the each composition, okay. Now next point, this is the fifth point. Gases are compressible in nature. Okay, liquid and solid are not compressible in nature, but gases are compressible. Okay, gases are compressible in nature. That is, gases which is compressible in large extent, okay. Now sixth point will be, try to write firstly, and now next point will be the volume of the gas decrease, the volume of the gas decrease with increase in pressure at constant temperature, Okay. Now next point will be at constant volume. At constant volume, the pressure of the gas, increase at constant volume. The pressure of the gas increase with increase in temperature. Okay. Now next point, gases have remarkable properties. Okay. Now gases have remarkable properties. Gases have remarkable properties. Gases have remarkable properties, that is, which is always flow from higher pressure to lower pressure. Okay. Now try to understand at a constant volume. If the volume of the gases is constant, now the pressure of the gas increase with increase in temperature. Any gases, if you supply the temperature to the system, pressure always increase if volume of the gases is constant. Okay. Now next point out here, next point, below, try to understand this point. Below at critical temperature, each gases can be liquefied, below at critical temperature. ईच गैसेस की एक डिफिनिट क्रिटिकल टेम्परेचर होता है. बिलो एट क्रिटिकल टेम्परेचर ईच गैसेस कैन बी लिक्विफाइड ऑन applying pressure. Try to understand carefully. Now here this point, below at critical temperature, any gases have a definite critical temperature. कोई भी गैस होगा उसका अपना एक क्रिटिकल टेम्परेचर होगा। क्रिटिकल टेम्परेचर से एबव के टेम्परेचर, जैसे आप कोई गैस लेते हो, सपोज मान लीजिए आपने CO2 गैस लिया, आप हाइड्रोजन गैस लिए, आप हीलियम गैस लिए, इनके अपने कोई न कोई क्रिटिकल टेम्परेचर है। CO2, हाइड्रोजन एंड हीलियम बोथ हैव ए फिक्स्ड critical temperature. Above the critical temperature, any gas do not liquefy on applying only the pressure. Suppose CO2 have 32 degree Celsius. Now this is suppose, I don't know this is the correct value of the CO2. Suppose 32 degree Celsius, suppose CO2 have the critical temperature 32 degree Celsius. You do not CO2 above the 32 degree Celsius, you do not apply only pressure, CO2 can liquefy. That means CO2 gas can convert into liquid. Only apply a pressure. If the critical temperature CO2 gas at lower, now here below at critical temperature, any gases below at critical temperature which applying only pressure, the gas can convert into liquid. Okay, now this is the characteristic property of the gases. Okay, characteristic property of the gases. Now we will be discuss gas laws. Okay, gas laws. What are the gas laws? In case of gas laws, several scientists, that is Roberts, Boyle, Charles and Gay-Lussac, Avogadro's, so on, gives a different interpretation in case of gases. Now, gas which shows a different behavior, one of the factor you will kept a constant and another one of the factor which varied. What are the effect on third factor? Now suppose volume, temperature and here pressure. This is the three major factor. One is kept constant in gas laws. Now we will be discuss in gas laws. One of the factor kept constant. Now volume kept constant. If temperature is varied, what will be the effect on pressure? One component you kept in constant and now another one of the component you varied. What are the effect on third component? Now this interpretation will be discussed in gas laws. Okay, now gas laws, try to write the gas laws. In gas laws, the physical behavior, in gas laws the physical behavior of gases change in gas laws, the physical behavior of gases change due to change in factor like volume, temperature, pressure, and number of moles of gas. Now try to understand gas laws. In gas laws, the physical behavior of gases change due to change in factor like volume, temperature, pressure, and number of moles of gases. Okay? Thank you. Some scientists like Roberts, Boyle, Charles, Gilshek, so on, which gives a information one of the factor which kept a constant, what are the effect of another factor due to varied next factor. Okay? Now point out some scientists stated that first, Boyle's laws. Okay? Boyle's laws. Write down the first heading, Boyle's laws. बातें ध्यान से समझिएगा. इस बॉयल्स लॉज पर जितने भी प्रॉब्लम आएंगे, मैक्सिमम प्रॉब्लम आप ओरली सॉल्व कर देंगे. तो देखिए जरा सा, ये बॉयल्स लॉज हमें किस बात का इंफॉर्मेशन देता है. ओके? तो पॉइंट आउट बॉयल्स लॉज. First heading will be Boyle's laws. Boyle's laws. Okay? How to define Boyle's laws? Boyle's laws, some books use pressure, volume relationship. Okay, pressure volume relationship. What are the relation in between the pressure and volume? This statement was given by Robert Boyle in 1662. What are the statements of the Boyle's law? Now write, according to Boyle's which is stated that according to Boyle's, which is stated that in 1662, this point will also include in the statements. Okay, according to Boyle's in 1662, which is stated that the volume of the given mass of gas the volume of the given mass of gas at particular temperature, okay, at particular temperature okay, the volume of the given mass of gas at particular temperature inversely proportional to its pressure. Okay, now try to understand the statement of the Boyle's law. Now in this case, according to Boyle's law, in 1662, the volume of the given mass of gas, the volume of the given mass of gas at particular temperature, that means temperature will be constant, no varied temperature, at particular temperature inversely proportional to its pressure. Now according to mathematically, okay, now here mathematically V is directly proportional to 1 upon P. Now if V is increased, P decrease, or P increase, V decrease. Volume and pressure both are inversely proportional, means one of the factor which increase, another one of the factor also decrease. This phenomenon is done at constant temperature, at constant T, okay, and number of moles of gas. Now mass of the gas is also fixed, no change in the mass of the gas, no change in the number of molecules. That means V is directly proportional to 1 by P, or V is inversely proportional to P at constant temperature and number of moles of gas. Now proportionality is converted into equality. What are the conditions? One of the constant is introduced, V equal to here K 1 by P, okay, V equal to K 1 by P. Now at constant temperature and number of moles of gas, both are constant at constant T and number of moles of gas. Now similar condition in this case, and then okay. Now next will be, now here this is the K, this is the equation number here, suppose 1, okay. Now you can write Vp or PV equal to here K. K is the constant. Now K is the constant, this is the proportionality constant, here K is the proportionality constant. This is the equation 2. Now K is proportionality constant. Now K is proportionality constant, okay. Depends on number of moles of gas or mass of gas, number of moles of gas, number of moles of gas and temperature. Proportionality constant in Boyle's laws, which depends on number of moles of gas or mass of the gas and temperature, okay. Now according to equation second, on the basis of equation second, we can write, suppose, okay, suppose V1 is the V1, okay, V1 is the volume of given mass of gas. Suppose V1 is the volume of given mass of gas. Mass of gas at pressure P1. Okay, at pressure P1. If volume expand, if volume expand, okay, if volume expand up to the V2, pressure of the gas, was found to be P2. The relation according to Boyle's, okay, the relation according to Boyle's, how to relate. Initially, volume of the given mass of gas is V1, which at P1 pressure, the volume of the given mass of gas which expand from V1 to V2, and pressure was found to be P2. What will be the relation? P1 V1 equal to here P2 and then V2. Okay? P1 V1 equal to P2 V2. This is the equation third. And now so on. P1 V1 equal to P2 V2 equal to P3 V3 equal to P4 V4 equal to constant. Now, okay? One of the another relation, P1 upon P2 equal to here V2 upon V1. This is the equation fourth. Okay? Now, how to represent the graphical? What are the graphical representation of the Boyle's law? We will be discussed in next lecture and summarize the some numerical problem, how to resolve the problem, how to solve the problems. नेक्स्ट लेक्चर में हम लोग इसके एप्लीकेशन को पढ़ेंगे, इस पर कुछ ग्राफिकल रिप्रेजेंटेशन कैसे हम ग्राफ को देखकर इंटरप्रेट करेंगे कि बॉयल्स लॉ को फॉलो कर रहा है, या कैसे हम न्यूमेरिकल प्रॉब्लम को विदाउट पेन टच किए हुए कैसे उसके ऑप्शन को तलाशेंगे। आप देखिएगा, क्वेश्चन में सॉल्व कराऊंगा आप लोगों को, और बिना पेन को टच किए हुए आप आंसर को तुरंत पॉइंट आउट करेंगे। बट यह है कि कॉन्सेप्ट बिल्कुल क्लियर होगा, तभी बिना पेन उठाए आपका क्वेश्चन सॉल्व होगा। तो ओके, थैंक यू। नेक्स्ट लेक्चर नेक्स्ट डेज। ओके, थैंक यू वेरी मच।